Good morning, children. In the last English class, I was taking you the lesson, unit number 7. I want to quit the ICS. So now let us continue with the lesson. So what did we study in the last lesson? Let us recall, okay? First pre-reading task was that in that we had learnt about some of the great national leaders. That is the man who grew up to be great leader after he came back from South Africa. He was none other than Mahatma Gandhi ji. Then who is the man who wrote letters to his daughter when he was in prison? What more do you know about him? So can you tell me who was he? Yeah, he was Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. In the same way, who was a great leader who said Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan? Can you tell now? Yes, you can answer these questions and write it. Then who is the national leader who is called the Iron Man of India? Then who built an army to fight with the British? What was the army called? So this one was Subhash Chandra Bose, and the army was called as Indian National Army, INA. So here are some of the great national leaders. Can you name them seeing the picture? Yeah. The first one is Bhagat Singh. Then you have Chandrasekhar Azad, Subhash Chandra Bose, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Mahatma Gandhi ji, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, then Jawaharlal Nehru, Mangal Pandey, Bahadur Shah Zafar, and Rani Lakshmi Bai. Okay, these were some of the national leaders. Then we had read the meanings. So now as we will be taking the lesson, we can revise those meanings. Again today I have to take some more lesson. So which all meanings we studied in the last lesson? Quit, that is to stop doing something and leave. Then what is the meaning of sincerity? The quality of being free from deceit or the falsehood. Honors, a specialized university grade degree. Tripos, the set of examinations for the BA degree at Cambridge University. Business, here the matter he wants to discuss. Enthusiasm, a strong feeling of interest and admiration. Then the word probationary means an officer who is still receiving a training. Then trusted, one in whose honesty and ability you have full faith. Propaganda, action to influence public opinion on some matter by spreading beliefs, ideas, etc. And the last word and the meaning is alien or foreigner. So what did we study? We studied about Subhash Chandra Bose, who was also called as Netaji. So he left India and went to England in the year 1919, promising to his father that he would appear for the ICS, means Indian Civil Service examination. So this man, Subhash Chandra Bose, can you see in the picture? He is the founder of the Indian National Army. So his full name is Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Then he was selected in his first attempt in the civil service examination, but still he didn't want to work as an alien, means foreign ruler. So he resigned his civil post and he jumped into the freedom movement. He became an active member of the Congress. Then he was selected or elected as a president of Congress in the year 1938. So now this lesson actually is a letter written by Subhash Chandra Bose to Deshbandhu Chittaranjan Das, who was the he was the undisputed leader of the Congress at that time. So he wanted to take the advice from Deshbandhu Chittaranjan Das about quitting his government job, and he wanted to join the freedom movement. So this person was from the Union Society, Cambridge. So this letter was written on 16th February 1921 by Subhash Chandra Bose to Deshbandhu Chittaranjan Das. So you can see in the picture, this man is Deshbandhu Chittaranjan Das, who was the first mayor of Kolkata in the year 1924 to 25. So now here this letter. So this is to address, that is to the Chitraranjan Das he had written. Deshbandhu Chitraranjan Das. So the Union Society, Cambridge, 16th February 1921. Sir, my name is Subhash Chandra Bose. I am probably a strong, he introduced himself in this first paragraph telling about him. He is giving the introduction about him. He is telling that before he come to the business, he wants to prove himself that he is sincere. He wants to work for the freedom movement. So he first wants to introduce himself. Then he introduces himself that his father was Mr. Janakinath Bose. You can see in the picture here. This person is called as, was his father. His name is Mr. Janakinath Bose. He was a advocate at Cuttack. Then this person is his elder brother by name Sharat Chandra Bose. So he is also a barrister of Calcutta High Court. Then he passed his BA examination in the year 1919 and got the first class in honors. Means he got a degree of BA examination. Then he arrived to India again in the year 1919 in the month of October. Then again he passed the civil service examination in the August 1920 and secured the 4th place. Then in June the same year, he took the examination in the moral science tribes, that is a set of examinations. He again gave some of the examination. Then same month he got the BA degree also. Then now he wants to talk about the business. So he's telling he has no interest in the government job. So he wants to leave that ICS, that is Indian Civil Service job, and he wants to, after quitting the service, he wants to join to the national work with the determination and the hard work. He wants to work for the nation. So he's telling that there are plenty of work where he can do it. That is, he can teach in the National College that was established in Calcutta by him. Then he can write, he can publish the books and the newspapers and organizing village societies, spreading education among the common people, etc. So he said that he has plenty of knowledge about this work and he can do it. Then, so now he is asking, now let us continue with the 5th stanza. That is, there he is telling he likes to know what work he is going to allot him or give in this great program of national service. So he wants to work with the enthusiasm. He is having an enthusiasm, means eagerness to, we already read what is the meaning of enthusiasm, a strong feeling of interest and admiration. So he is having interest and he is interested in doing the service for the nation. So as regard the education, he had read something about philosophy also, and there also he has scored, he has got a nice degree. Honors means degree in different examinations. So he is telling thanks to the civil service examination. So by giving the civil service examination, he had an all-round development of education in the economics, political science, English, law, Sanskrit and geography. Now the 6th paragraph is, I desire to give up service with the clear-cut plans. If I cannot do that, I shall not have to spend time not knowing what to do. I shall be able to enter the field of work immediately. So in this paragraph, he is telling that he is having a interest to do the service. So he is having clear-cut plans. So if he cannot do that, he shall not spend the time to knowing what to do. So he is able to enter the field of the work immediately. He wants to work immediately with him. I am now in sense a government servant because I am now ICS probationary. I did not dare to write to you directly lest my letter should be censored. I am sending this letter through a trusted friend of mine. He will deliver the letter personally to you. Whenever I write to you, I shall be doing so in this way. You may, of course, write to me because there is no danger of letters being censored here. So now he is telling that now he is in the government post, isn't it? He is a government servant. So now he is still under probationary, means still he is not a permanent member. He is just receiving still the training. So he can leave that and he can directly join into the freedom movement. So he is telling that he is sending the letter through his friend whom he can trust. So he will be delivering the letters personally to him regarding whatever he wants to tell him, or whenever even he can write and send the letters to him. So in this way he is telling to Deshbandhu Chitraranjan that he is interested in joining the freedom movement. He did not contact him directly. He has sent the letter through his friend because he wanted to know what work he has been allotted to do, or he is able to come and join the movement or what. So you may of course write to me because there is no danger of the letters being censored here. So he's telling through letter only you can ask him to do whatever work he would allot him. I have a few ideas in my mind regarding the movement. So I think there must be a permanent meeting place. We must have a house for this purpose. So Subhash Chandra Bose, he is telling that he is having many ideas in his mind regarding this freedom movement. So what he is telling, there must be a place, permanent place for meeting. Usually all the meetings will take in a particular place, isn't it? People join from the various places at a place and there they do the meeting at a place, isn't it? So he is telling there must be a house, permanent house or meeting place where they can do this meeting. So for this they need a house. There will be a group of research students who will be carrying on research on various national problems. So he is telling that there will be a group of students who are interested. Now how he is interested in this freedom movement, like that there will be students who will be doing research. That group is called as group of research students, and they will be carrying the research program on the various national problems. Personal view is that we have to maintain a permanent staff. They will do research on individual problems. So he is telling that even we must keep some of the staff members permanently. Why? Because they can individually go and understand the problem of the people and tell, so that they can do research on the individual problems. Other than that, booklets must be published in every language. Provincial language means what the people will be able to understand easily. So booklets will be published in every provisional language by the propaganda department and will be distributed free among the general public. So here what did we study the meaning of propaganda? Can anyone tell me what is the meaning of propaganda? Means action to influence public opinion on some matter by spreading beliefs and ideas. So to know the opinion of the public regarding this movement. So he is telling that there must be a booklets. Booklets must be published in every language where the people can understand easily and tell their ideas or opinions regarding this movement. Then there must be a propaganda department who will be distributing all this pamphlets or papers, whatever, to the general or the public places. Apart from that, a book will be published by propaganda department on each and every question in our national life. So other than that, there must be books also which will be published by the propaganda department on which each and every question regarding the national life of the people. In such a book, the policy of the organization will be explained. So in that book, the policy means how the organization will be run, by whom, what work will be done, everything will be explained by that department. And the grounds on which such a policy has been formulated will also be given. So in that book, it will be explained on what basis this movement has been started, what policy they follow, how they are going to do the work. So regarding all these problems, it will be discussed. So in this 8th paragraph, Subhash Chandra Bose is telling that he has few ideas regarding the movement, that is the freedom movement. So what all he said? He said that there must be a permanent meeting place or a house for this purpose where people can sit and discuss about the matters. Then next, there must be a group of research students who all are interested in such work. So they'll be carrying on the research on the various problems, national problems. Then next, personal view is that they have to maintain a permanent, he's telling that we have to maintain a permanent staff also, so that they can do a research on the individual problems. Next, booklets must be published in the languages what the people will speak, so that they'll give their opinions and ideas regarding this movement. Then there must be a propaganda department who will be distributing this pamphlets, or you might have seen papers and all they'll distribute, no, about the tuitions and all. Near our school also they distribute, you see. So like that, propaganda department will be there who will be distributing free among the general public. Then apart from that, there will be books published on the national life, each and every question in our national life. Then in such book, the policy of the organization will be explained, and the grounds on which such a policy has been formed will also be given. Then the last paragraph is, I have written so much. So he's telling that regarding this moment, I have written so many things. These questions are not new to you. I feel that tremendous work lies ahead of us in connection with the moment. If you wish so, I shall probably be able to make some contribution in this respect. So Subhash Chandra Bose is telling that he has written about what he had in his mind. So whatever he has written, this might not be the new questions or new things what he want to tell to him. What he felt or what he can do, he wanted to show. So he's telling that he feels that only we can work when we all are connected together for this movement. We can do the tremendous work, means much work and beautiful work, and bring many changes in that when we all will be connected with this movement. So he's telling that if he wishes, then he will be able to make some more contribution in this respect. So other than this, if he has liked his work, what he wanted to do, what he wants to do, or his ideas or whatever he has written, then he can write and tell him regarding what he has to do it, and some what other than this what he can do for the freedom movement. So this much he has written a letter to Deshbandhu Chittaranjan Das, and lastly he has written, I am yours respectfully, Subhash Chandra Bose. So this was the letter written by Subhash Chandra Bose to Deshbandhu Chittaranjan Das, who was the Congress leader during that time. So now let us recall the summary of the lesson, what we have learned today, or the whole lesson, what it means. So the lesson I want to quit ICS is a letter written by Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose to Deshbandhu Chittaranjan Das, seeking his advice about what he should do after quitting civil service, a government service job. Then the letter is written on 16th February 1921 from the Union Society of Cambridge University. In this letter, Subhash Chandra Bose introduces himself to Deshbandhu because he is a stranger to him. He introduces himself as the son of Mr. Janakinath Bose, who is practicing lawyer at Cuttack. His brother, Mr. Sharat Chandra Bose, is a barrister of Calcutta High Court. He had passed his BA examination with the first class. He had arrived at Cambridge in October 1919 and passed the civil service examination in August 1920, and he secured a second place. After introducing himself, Subhash Chandra Bose writes that he has no desire to enter the government civil service. He is determined to enter the national work after quitting the civil service. He assures Mr. Chitra Ranjan Das that he will have a plenty of work to do, like teaching at the National College established by Mr. Das, and by writing and publishing books and newspapers, organizing village societies and educating the Indian masses. Then he requests Mr. Das to let him know what works he will be assigned by Mr. Das in the great program of national service. He assures Mr. Das that of his youthful enthusiasm to serve the nation. He is thankful to the civil service examination because it has proved him all-round education in economics, political science, English, law, Sanskrit and geography. He desires to give up civil services after making a definite plans of his future course because he wishes to not spend his time in aimless pursuits. He is eager to jump into the field of work at earliest. He has sent this letter to Mr. Das through a trusted friend, fearing censorship by the British administration, and in future his correspondence will be through his trusted friend. So earlier what they used to do, as they are taking the letters from one place to another, it was a British rule, isn't it? So they used to read the letters, and also he is telling that there is no fear of doing taken this censorship by the British administration. So he also can send in return those letters through his friend who is a trusted one. He is one of his best friend. Subhash Chandra Bose also writes that he had formed a new ideas regarding national movement. He believes that there must be a permanent meeting place, perhaps a house, and that there is a need for research group to study the various national problems. Then the propaganda department will publish these researchers in every provincial language among the public for free. In addition, the pamphlets, a book on each and every question in the national life and the policies of the organization with explanation should be published. Subhash Chandra Bose concludes his letter by writing that such questions are not new to Mr. Das. He finally says that he feels that there was a tremendous work to do in the future through the movement. His wish was to be able to contribute to the movement in every respect. So in this lesson, Subhash Chandra Bose, we have studied about Subhash Chandra Bose, what he was interested, what all exam he has passed, and his interest, and he wanted to join the freedom movement. Then the summary of the lesson we had read. So now let us start with the grammar part. So now here there are, working with your partner, write down your own sentences with the words given below. Now here there are some of the words given here. On page number 83 in your textbook you have. So here the first word is probably. So now what is the meaning of probably? Maybe, isn't it? You can see the dictionary and find the words, and you have to use it in your own sentence. Now here I have made some of the sentences. Can you see here? Sita most probably thinks she is always right. Okay, that word must come here. That means Sita mostly or may think she is always right. The next is recognize. The next word is recognize. My mother recognized my friend very quickly. Now children, I am showing you this as an example. You have to make your own sentence next using these same words. Don't write the same sentence. You can make your own sentence. Okay, the third word is enthusiasm. Already we have learnt about the word enthusiasm, meaning of enthusiasm. That is a strong feeling of interest and admiration we studied. So here the students took part in the annual day function with much enthusiasm. Next, what is the word? Determination. Achievements are possible with determination. Then allot. BDA allots sites for people. Then the next word is over enthusiastic. Ravi was over enthusiastic during annual day activities. So like this I have shown you how to make the sentences using the words. So you can frame the sentences using the same words. Don't write the same sentence, you can write the different sentences. Then other than that, you have here, that is on page number, next to that only you have language function. Okay, so there what you have, the first one is, if you get first class, what is this thing? First let me read the heading. Read the sentences aloud to your partner. Tell him or her what the speaker is doing. Okay, read this. So the first one is, if you get first class this time, I will buy you a bicycle. So this is making a what you understood by this? It is a promise, isn't it? Whenever you do bring good marks and all, your parents tell you, this is a promise, I will do it, like that. So this is what, if you get first class this time, I will buy you a bicycle, means making a present. Then next one, you will fail in the examination if you sit all day in front of TV. So this is what, again, giving a warning here, isn't it? It is giving a warning. Next one, you will feel much better if you take these tablets. Giving a, what it is again? Can you tell me? Yeah, giving an advice. This is again a advice. The last one is, if you do that again, you will be punished. So this is what? Reprimand. What it is? Reprimand. So like this you have the words to use this. As soon as you see the sentence, you must tell what word you have to write it. Now you see here, they dashes with it. Now the first one is, if you get a first class this time, I will buy you a bicycle. So this is making a promise, or making a, it is like making a promise or making a present. You fail in the examination if you sit all day before that TV. So this is like giving a warning. You will feel much better if you take this tablet. So this is giving an advice. If you do that again, you will be punished. So this is called as reprimand, means making you, if you do that again, you will be punished, means reminding you about your punishment. Then the next one is, next grammar part you can see in the same class, same page. Now complete these sentences using the words given in the bracket. So the first one is, if you ask him, what it is given here? Help. So if you ask him, he will help you. Like this you have to complete the sentence. Did you follow? If you ask him, so after that only help is given. So what you have to write? He will help you. Okay. Now the next one is, if it rains not come, means if it rains he will not come. So already in the bracket it is given not come. So if it rains he will not come. Next one is, your father will punish you. Don't go. So if you don't go, so what? Your father will punish you if you don't go. The next one is, I will tell father to buy a TV. So TV is given there. So you have to make the sentence. So what sentence you are going to make? I will tell father to buy a TV. Okay. Now in this page number 83, what all we have discussed? Write working with your partner, that is, frame your own sentences with the words given below. Then in the language function, we have done read the sentences aloud to your partner, tell him or her what is the speaker doing. The next one is complete the sentences using the words given in the brackets, isn't it? Okay. So now this grammar part you can see and write in your textbook. Seeing the video, you please write it in your textbook with the pencil, children. Okay, don't use the pen, you can use your pen, you can use the pencil. So today's homework, that is PDF, I'll be sending you. You can complete writing the sentences also. Already I have shown you in the video. You make your own sentences and please write it. Okay. Then these words, that is just now what we had taken, no? This probably, recognize, enthusiasm, determination, a lot, and over enthusiastic. So these I have given you right in your own words. Already I have made you these sentences. You can make your own sentences other than this and write it. Okay. So and show for your elders, they will correct it. So in this lesson, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, we have studied about Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, who wrote a letter to the Congress leader Deshbandhu Chitraranjan Das. Okay. So now the remaining lesson, I'll continue it in the next class. Please read the lesson. All of you all please read the lesson, learn the meanings, then the grammar part. And whatever questions are given to you, you please write it and understand what it is. Then last time I had told you from the first two paras you find the opposites. Did you all find? Okay, now let me see. Here in the first paragraph, other than what words I told you, did you find? You see here. Opposites you have to find, I said. Isn't it? Important, unimportant. In the first stanza only. Important, unimportant. Then proof. What is the opposite of prove? You can find. I'll underline the words, then you can write. First, last. Isn't it? Then in the second stanza you can see again. Elder, younger. Brother, sister. Then what you have? Okay, children. Now you just see in the first stanza how many words you can find the opposite words. I have found few, now remaining you can find it. Now in the first line itself you have probably. What is the opposite of probably? Unlikely. Then stranger. The opposite of stranger is friend. Next, recognize. What is the opposite of it? Overlook. Then important, unimportant. Then sincere, sincerity, insincerity. Then first, last. Then take the next paragraph. Elder, younger. Then past, failed. Then what you have? Next, third stanza, third paragraph. Arrived, departed. Then next, secured, insecure. Then next para, fourth para. Enter, exit. Then after, before, after. Then plenty, lack. Then determination, indetermination. Then establish, demolish. Next is common, uncommon. So like this, 4 stanzas I have told you the opposite words. So now remaining 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So there also you have find the opposite word and write the opposite of that word. Okay, how I have told you now like this, no, the same way you can find and write it. Okay, now here you can take, you see, for example, intelligence, belief, then enthusiasm, youth, philosophy. Like this you have to take the words and find the opposite of that using the dictionary. You can get the answers. Now whatever I have told you this in the first 4 paragraphs, take the pencil and as I told you, you can write it in your textbook with the help of pencil, isn't it? So what I told you, probably, can anyone tell what is the opposite of probably? Unlikely. Yes, correct. Next, stranger, opposite is friend. Then recognize is, can anyone tell? Yeah, overlook. Then important, unimportant. Sincerity, insincerity. Then first, last. Then take the second paragraph. There you have again elder, younger. Past, failed. Then next, third paragraph, arrived, departed. Secured or secure, insecure. Then fourth paragraph, enter, exit. Before, after. Determination, indetermination. Plenty, lack. Established, demolished. Then common, uncommon. So these 4, in the 4 paragraphs I have discussed about the opposites. Remaining of the lesson you have to find the opposites and write it. Okay, now let me continue the remaining part of the lesson in the next class. Okay, have a nice day.